Yeah, guys, take it in, take it in. Working out on myself, getting that fitness in. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're not really doing a tech video, it's just a catch up with me. Quick story before I rip into this. Yeah. So, you know my job, it needs me to go in my wallet a lot, right? I need to go in there, get that cash, get that card, quick swipe, and go. But since lately, I've been pulling out this embarrassment, right? And the girls be giggling. I mean, the girls be spreading their cheeks on the ground, rolling over, dying with laughter, bro. I even tried to wrist up a baddie, and I pulled this shit out. Immediately, that girl stopped talking to me, guys. You don't know the half of having a bad wallet. But that's why this is here, guys. And today, I'm just gonna strange over my wallet. Let's talk about it for a bit. I'll be turning the camera off just so I can rip into this. Yep, so I got this bad boy off Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'll have to remind myself to do that shit. Anyways, let's get into it. Oak leathers. I've never seen the wallet, so let me do my first opening surprise. Right there we get whatever this is. I'll read that later. Nice wrapping. Not bad, not bad. Now let's take this sticker off. What you don't know, guys, is I will just crash out if this don't work in my favor. And it did. It worked perfectly in my favor, so I won't be crashing out. Alright. As you just seen, guys, this is my first look at the wallet, and my first impression is it's good. It's good for a first wallet, or just a second wallet, or a person in my situation, a poor guy wallet. It's pretty cold, pretty nice, like it. Lightweight. I'll tell you straight up, this doesn't feel heavy at all. Yeah. Nice engrave in it. Nice checker pattern design. Like it. So with this, at least the girls should stop being on the ground and just laughing at me, guys. I'm so fucking embarrassed and tired of it. So from now on, this is my new wallet, and if you're gonna rob me, please do not waste your time. I have no money. You're gonna be poor. I think you're gonna be in the worst position robbing me than just leaving me alone. Let's be honest. I bought this shit off Amazon, and it's gonna work for me. So that's about it. Okay, guys. So I've got it cleaned, ready to be destroyed, ready to be thrown away. But oh man, this brings back a lot of memories for me because this was actually my first wallet ever. So to see that I've all grown this out, thanks for changing. Everything is changing in my life. Yeah, you don't know, guys. This is feelings. But anyways, one thing I didn't realize that I would miss is this damn thing right here. Up to now it works perfect. Just that flip just gives that feeling of security. Just look at that. and it sucked. I'll miss that about it, but you're done your time, buddy. Now this is the new one. It's already full and stacked. There you go. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you my ID. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you. You embarrassed me. You embarrassed me. But he brings back a lot of memory. Boy, the things I put in you. I never put a condom in that. I'm never gonna put a condom in this one too. I have no use for those things. Well, that is it, guys. I changed my wallet. I'm gonna miss you. Threes.